Okay. I think I've already got an issue with the Ram TRX. It's making a weird noise on a cold start. I'm gonna have to take it to the shop and see what it is. I haven't looked to see if anybody else has this issue, but let's check it out. We're gonna do a cold start. Gonna have to let it idle down a little bit. I think I've got about 470 some miles on it, and it's got a little bit of a rattle underneath, so no idea. Haven't really beat on it yet, haven't really taken it off-road or anything, so I'm not sure if it's like a loose skid plate, but I'll have to take it to the shop Monday. I'm sure they'll get me right in. Stu Hansen's great. I don't know if you can hear it yet. Definitely doesn't sound good. It's not that loud right now, but it does get louder. I'll put you right under there. I'll cut out and come back. Nice property, but I could use some more gravel. Gets a little muddy this time of year. Everything's thawing. I think you could put an endless amount of gravel on and it would still do the same thing. Baby likes to fling some mud. All right, we're headed over to a buddy of mine's house. He's got a Ford EcoBoost, pretty basic 4-door F-150, sweet truck. This is my daily drive here. Figured I'd give you a little cruise in the TRX. So a lot of people will come over and tell you how cool this truck is. It's been awesome. Met some good people. Usually it's the younger crowd that knows what this thing is. Guys my age, the majority of them so far haven't really acknowledged it. Don't know what that's about, but gas stations and things, definitely the people that are coming over are, like I said, definitely younger than me. It's beautiful out here. Definitely gorgeous. It's not even warmed up yet. I'd give it some gas, but it's on cold, so we need it to be at least a quarter of the way up. That's how I'd prefer it anyways. I do have experience building some pretty cool cars. I've got a good friend of mine that we grew up together and he taught me a lot. We put some engines together, usually GM F bodies. We'll meet him soon. Introduce him to the channel. You guys will love him. He's awesome. Quarter of the way up. Let's give it some gas. Woo. It has some power, that is for sure. Bouncy. So I'm going to insert some driving music here and just let you go along for the ride. Enjoy.
It says engine torque. Interesting.
Holy crap, that was a lot of torque. Launch mode is available, people. So it must have been 500 miles because I'm at 530. Find a straightaway. Apply brake pressure, full throttle, release brake.
Yeah, it's hard to hold still.
Engage, rocket. Holy crap. bet it's got a 0 to 60 time too. Somewhere. I don't know where. History. I'll have to mess with it later. That is awesome. That's impressive.
Yeah, it shows your 8th mile and your quarter mile speeds and everything too.
What was the 8th mile? Can you see?
Your 8th mile was 86 miles per hour. Your quarter speed was 80.
What about time?
Time says quarter mile estimate 13.2.
Ooh, that's kind of slow. What about the
It
8th
says
mile?
your 8th mile estimate is 7.8.
That's awesome.
0 to 60 in 3.9.
Are you serious?
That's what it says right
Holy
there.
crap. Oh, it does. I hope you can see it. Dang. Oh my God, guys, check this out. 313 on my readout. Speed 313. It's meant to be. That's awesome. How much did we spend?
$16
$16.
for 60 days.
We've got everything you could think of. We're on a budget now. We're shopping at the Dollar Tree.
Spent all
Grand
the money on
opening.
this truck.
Because we spent it all on the truck. I've been waiting for this store to open forever. I'll take a sparkling ice, please.
Which one?
I don't care as long as it's cold.
This one is.
Hey guys, I just wanted to give you a quick look at a nighttime view behind the wheel. You've probably already seen it with other TRX YouTubers, but there's some cool light features with this truck. So it gets brighter. I don't know if you can see this here. The dash has got basically got a line on it. Get that to go away. And then also, this is your standard view. Very bright. The dash line disappears. Still got your lights there. But when we dim it, look at that. The door handles actually have lights in them as well. Just looks really cool. So now, I'm gonna give you a look at the lights on the outside of the truck. Check this out. Does that not look tough or what? I got my trailer on here. I just love the lights on this thing. Really stands out. LEDs. I got the headlights off right now. Fog lights are really cool as well. Let's check out the fog lights. Look at that. I'm gonna take a picture. It's gorgeous. A little closer maybe. So awesome. Oh, it's a better angle here. Nice. All right, let's go through some of our performance pages. So basically, you push the TRX button, pulls up our drive modes, performance, race options. Let's look at the drive modes. Most people understand drive modes.
valet. You can enter a valet mode, and it requires a PIN. So basically they do not get the horsepower, which that's awesome. If my daughters ever borrow my truck, I'm definitely gonna do that. Then we got our performance pages. Now, it takes a couple minutes to pull up, and I don't know why. I guess it connects to the internet or accessing some black box in the truck somewhere. I have no idea why it's doing that, but it is. So let's look at some of my performance pages here. Now, my timers at 500 miles, which I'm at 808 right now. So at 500 miles, I got all the ponies, all the horsepower. This thing opened up. All right. Now, if you look, my best performance timers are right here. Now, I really feel like this is pretty accurate. Best quarter mile is 13.2. Okay. 80 mile an hour. Best eighth mile, 7.8. 86 mile an hour. I haven't hit 100 yet. 0 to 60, best time, 3.9. That's impressive. Super fast. G-force, let's go through that. Peak G's, 0.8. 1.0 for rear peak. That's on acceleration only. Doing launch control. It has a engine dyno. Now that is awesome. Look at that. Now when I did my, history. Let's try our history. Don't know too much about the history. So I'll have to look into that more. Boost pressure, interesting. It's got a boost gauge. Vehicle dynamics, take a look at that. 4 high auto. Rear axle is unlocked. Let's see if we can lock that. I push the axle lock button. That says rear axle is locked. Nice. Let's push it again. Rear axle unlocked. Okay, we got auxiliary buttons here that we do not have hooked up. I might get some pods, I don't know. If you guys like and subscribe and support the channel, I'd be able to get some accessories for this, I guess. I don't know, people make money on YouTube. I'm just venturing off into YouTube with this new TRX, so do whatever you got to do. Appreciate it.